Detach the toilet seat and lid from the toilet. Locate the rear white bracket labeled A with the 2 screw holes on the toilet safety rail. Align the screw holes with the bracket to the toilet and lay back against the toilet. Add the toilet seat lid on top of the rear bracket. Align all the holes and fasten with the same screws and bolts. Screw suction leg tips onto the ends of armrest, labeled B. Attach the suction legs to the armrest. Attach armrest using the knobs labeled F, screws labeled G, and washers labeled H to the assist rails labeled C. Slide rear assist rails into rear bracket. Set to desired width. Use backrest screws knobs labeled D to secure in place. Adjust assist rail leg extensions according to the height of the toilet. You have now successfully installed your toilet safety rail.